Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is GPT-4, and I'm going to try and build a pizza order app using GPT-4 and Visual Studio Code. I've already pasted the code in, and you'll see that I've got a problem already. If I run this or start debugging, it's going to give me an indent error almost certainly right there. I got an unexpected indent, so I'm going to use Visual Studio Code Chat Pilot, go GitHub Copilot, and I'm going to say, right, I've already done this before, but I'll go ahead and say it again, fix indentation errors and make any other corrections as necessary. Enter. And because I have selected all the code here, main pi 1 to 39, when it's done generating its new code, I can now take this, insert a cursor, and since all of this text is selected, it's going to override the whole thing. So I'm at 38 lines right now, and I'll probably have more. Many more. So that's how you would use Copilot to clean up your Python code. Now I save that, and theoretically, nothing will happen, but I shouldn't get the indentation errors. All right, and now I have a new error, which is SQL Academy Alchemy has no attribute model, but that's another problem for another day. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.